Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making a video about TT Rockstars, but how I won so many battles, so we're going to see that. So as you can see, when I click on this battle, see as I'm first, this YouTube boy, Kevin Brannon, YouTuber, yeah, he tried playing but he didn't beat me. Guys, didn't you know there's something coming up, which is something that's around the whole London. It's called Top of the Rocks. It's called London Rocks. Starts in 4 days. I need to be practicing. It's gonna end in 6 days. I need to practice this. I need to. But anyways, I'm good. So see, in our school, we have a London Rocks and TTR Rockstars. We have London Rocks every single year. So my last London Rocks was in year 3. When I was in year 3. Sorry if I confuse you. So as you can see, when I press completed, as you can see, since this September to now, I've been playing all along, and I came first. I haven't gave up. Somebody was never about to beat me and I beat them. I just continually played. When anybody played, I just played. I played. Can I say something? So I got another rule I want to tell you. So for example, if you want to get more coins, you can play. Garage gives you more coins. You know, Garage and Gig, they give you more coins. See, these two battles, 17th September. 17th September to 24th, and the other battles 4th of August to 4th of September. Rubbish, gone in the bin. I wasn't first in these. I wasn't trying, but these battles, I never gave up. That's how smart. See, if you have TT Rockstars in your school, you should try coming on top like me, and then you will become rock hero. You can even make your name anonymous. I don't want to. I'm good with the rabbit failure. See, coming up battles. See, this is 13th. These 3 next battles are 13th of July. No, when the battle that's right now going on, after they finish, 3 battles will start, which is 13th of July to 13th of August. And then after that, my new year will start. I'll be in year 5. So after I'm in year 5, you see, every single day, every single time a match starts, these are 13s. Like for example, 13th of September, 13th October, 13th of November, 13th December, 13th January, 13th February, 13th March, 13th April, 13th May, 13th June, 13th July, and 13th August. See, all of these are becoming 13s. in the 13th. So I think they're going to be a different number, like 4, 10, 16, 18, something like that. See, let's see these. Pasture. My bet. Let's see. Yeah, so it starts in 21 days. Excited. So, I mean, only 3 battles are going to start after. Done. That's it for the year. After I finish these battles, after I finished all the 3 battles, then done for the summer. There would be no. I think there would be no things. There would be no battles in the summer holidays. And after I start my new year, when I go into year 5, I'm gonna have new battles. So in play. See, there's a slight difference that I need to tell you. See, these 2 are the same scores, but these 2 are not the same scores to this battle, because I played before. I played this battle before these 2 came. Before them came, I played this battle. Yeah. See, I'm just on top. Okay, so now I think I'm gonna play 2 1-minute games. So I'm gonna play multiplayer. Let's see Rock Slam for a second. So look at these 3 people. If I try playing, they'll literally just, I mean, see, look at this. This guy got 6. You know, this is a teacher, Mr. Brooker, in my school. He's got 19, and Livia Tuba got 50. I don't want to play with these 3 because, anyways, they know I'm so smart. Okay, let's play two games of Festival. Let's go. Okay, so as you can see, I got 74 coins, 74 correct, 3 incorrect. My speed is 0.81 seconds per question. That's actually good. My studio speed is 0.56. I need to get better. Okay, so now we're gonna play one last festival. So let's do it. haven't got any wrong at the moment. That's great. Need to be careful a little because how much I got 81 correct. I don't want to get any wrong. Let's go! Didn't get any wrong. Let's go. Okay, so as you can see, I got 90 coins, 90 correct, 0 incorrect. So my speed is 0.67 seconds per question. So when I click see more, I'm done. Let's go back. And now my speed has gone more. Go. Yep. He didn't play at all. That's so embarrassing. Is it? Do you think it's embarrassing for him to not play? Bro, he knows that I'm playing. I know he knows that because he's been playing. I've been first. I mean, can I tell you something? Whoever, like, since September, I've played and beaten people, and when I beaten those people, can I tell you something funny? They stopped playing TTR, so like there's me gotten down. Like, I dare them to stop playing TT Rockstars. I dare them. Because they come in my way. But I'm the King Rock Hero TT Rockstars. And you need to try being like me. Or a 4 kid. A 9-year-old boy. Like, yeah. You need to be faster TT Rockstars. And if you have TT Rockstars in school. Can I tell you the reason why you can't have it at home? Like you can't just go on it, because the first time you go on it at home, if you have go to a school, like for example, if you go to used to be fast. Okay. Let's see this one battle. So if you go to a school that doesn't have TT Rockstar, you know what TT Rockstars, like if you're going for the first time on it, you know, TT Rockstars asks what your school is. Like it asks what your school is. If you just pick a random school where there is TT Rockstars, it will say your name, and if you say a random name, then yeah. Yeah. So let's get our calculator and type in 8523 minus 80345. I'm joking. Enter. So I'm 488 ahead of him. So see. No? So clean. 8339 take away 8035, 204. Yeah. But I got another thing. How about we calculate 8523 minus 8339. So you know these two scores? No, these two scores are no. This score is 184 ahead of these two. This one and this one. Yeah. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching me be a rock hero and getting people to not play T-Rock anymore. Yeah, you got that. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.